Hello! In front of me I have Garmin Epix Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces on this device. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. Okay, once the devices are paired, you will need to download and install the Garmin Connect IQ Store application. To do it, let's open the App Store on our phone, tap on Search, type in Garmin Connect or Garmin IQ if you want to, like that. Then tap Search. And as you can see here, we have the Garmin Connect IQ Store application. Let's tap on Install to install the application on our phone. And once the app is done installing, you can tap on Open button to open it. Now let's tap on Welcome. Here you can use the account that you are using in the Garmin Connect application. You can tap on Continue, or you can switch accounts if you want to by tapping on Switch Accounts. I'm just gonna use the account I have already. Now let's tap on the check marks or other boxes, then tap Next. And here we have the IQ Store. As you can see, we have different applications, watch faces and stuff like that. Find the category you like. You can, for example, scroll all the way down. And here you should have the list of categories if I remember correctly. If not, you can tap on Search. And here you have list of categories, as you can see. So let's select the watch faces because we want to install watch faces. And here we have the list of watch faces. Some of them you need to pay for, some of them are free. But let's find some random one. For example, this one. Tap on it to select it. And here we have the info about the watch face, some screenshots, how it looks like. You can also check the list of compatible devices. If you scroll down, tap on compatible devices. You have the whole list, and as you can see somewhere, let's find it, the Epix is compatible. Yeah, it is, as you can see. So we can scroll up and tap on Install to install the application or other watch face. Tap on Allow. As you can see, the installation is queued. Now it's installing. Sometimes it takes longer because some of the updates are queued and it's updating first, then installing the watch face, so it might take longer. Once the watch face is done installing, you will get the pop-up right here. You can tap on Got it, and if you wake up the screen on your watch, as you can see, the watch face should be applied. You can also check the list of watch faces installed on your watch by going back to the IQ Store, tapping on My Device right here, tapping on My Watch Faces, and here you have the list of watch faces you installed and that were installed at some time but are not installed anymore, and you can basically install them back again by tapping on them right here on this list. And if you want to uninstall the watch face, simply go to here, tap on My Watch Faces, tap on the watch face you want to uninstall, and then tap on the uninstall button like this. And it's gonna be on the not installed list, and the watch face will revert to the previous one. And that's how you install additional watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.